Thank you, Madam Matilda. Good morning to you all. Following from where we ended yesterday, we oriented as to the academic staff, financials, the graduation, your stay experience, student experience, course registration. So you've been told all these, and you were told that if you pay your school fees and you don't even register, you've done nothing. So registration is key. So after you've registered your courses in your MIS, your courses, Sakai picks your courses automatically from your MIS on your proof of registration. Okay. So we are going to take it from there, how to use Sakai. I'm here with my Alaji. Let me start recording. I'm recording. Hello, Alaji.
Yes, I'm here.
So I'm here with my boss, Alaji. But his name is Ahmedu Yusuf. But he's popularly known as Alaji. And I'm here with Edward Opokujan. He's at the academic office supporting. I don't know if, apart from Madam Matilda, who is also the academic officer, I don't know who else is on board. Edward, are you here? Okay, you can hear Edward. Okay. All right, Alaji. So
Yes, sir.
they are all here. Alaji will be introducing you to the online learning. Okay. So Alaji, over to you. Then I'll come in with the Sakai practicals.
Thank you very much, Papa. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Business Education, University of Business Education Orientation. What we were taking through yesterday is academic exercise. So we are going to look at the learning aspects, right? We are going to take you through how you can use the learning management system adopted by the University of Ghana for learning. My duty this morning to guide you on how to behave responsibly online. As business education students, you have to be very responsible when it comes to online activities. Else, you find yourself in a bottle of hot waters, right? So please listen carefully and jot down the points I'm going to talk about. It's going to help you, right? Because most of your lectures happens online, fully online. So you have to be very responsible and you do all the activities online, apart from final examination, which you have to come and sit down and write. And if some of them are online. So be very, very attentive for this discussion, right? When I'm done, when you have any question, you can ask. But don't ask question on registration. It's done yesterday. So we are going to talk about only Sakai, right? And if I've not registered your academic courses, you cannot be on Sakai. So if you log in Sakai and you cannot be able to log in, it means you haven't registered. Unless you have registered, you cannot log in. And for Sakai, it takes 48 hours before you use Sakai. So assuming you pay your school fees today and register today, you will see your costs on Sakai only on Tuesday, 48 hours. Normally, it's supposed to be 24 hours, but sometimes the synchronization takes time before it reflects on Sakai. So give yourself 2 days. Check Sakai and you see your courses there. If you know that you have paid your fees and you really registered and you can't log in Sakai, then you can what? Report for us to assist you. Right? So we give our contact details to you whilst we are moving on. So if you have any challenges, just let us know. Okay. So we are going to talk about how to be responsible online as DE students. So the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through how you can behave or responsible online. Right? So it will help you to learn simple and responsible using Sakai. And the first thing you have to know, Sakai is learning management system. Learning management system. Learning management system is an online platform that helps students to do online activities. For example, getting your lecture notes, reading materials, videos. Then you can also do assessment like assignments, forums, tests, right? We even have polls. Lecturers also send communication to students through Sakai. So we have something like Messenger. We have announcement, which is very key. We have email. So make sure you activate UG email because every communication goes through your UG email. Don't use your personal Gmail or personal email. It will help you. Make sure you go to your center and activate your UG email, University of Ghana email address. Very, very important. Every communication goes through University of Ghana email. So I see some of you using your personal email to send messages to us. Who read? Once you are a student, use the official and recommended email to communicate to your faculty members, the academic affairs, the unit, and so on and so forth. And if you're among yourself, use the University of Ghana email address, right? And for Sakai, if you want to log in, Sakai will show how to go and log in Sakai. You need your University of Ghana student ID and a PIN. ID and PIN to go to Sakai. Your ID is your username, your PIN is your password. One important thing, I'll talk about it again. You can change your PIN on Sakai or MIS. And when you change, it doesn't synchronize. It doesn't synchronize. What it means is, when you change one, it will affect the other one. So, for example, you have changed your PIN on MIS. When you go to Sakai, the new PIN will not work unless you use the old one. So, if you want to be consistent, when you change your PIN on MIS, make sure you change the one on Sakai to reflect. Okay, now let's go to the point. Now, you have to be professional and respectful online. Very professional when you are online. Use polite language in forums. I told you we have what? Discussion forums on Sakai. So when you are chatting on Sakai, use professional what? Language. Whether it's email or in a chat room, because chat room, although it's what? Informal discussion of class activities, but use what? Formal language. Respect diverse views and avoid offensive or discriminatory language or comments when you are using what? University of Ghana resources, for example, Sakai. When we are either in chat room, sending email or in forum, use respected language. Avoid offensive or discriminating comments. Very important. You can be penalized or punished if you do that. Because your instructor or your lecturer will see every activity or every comment you make on Sakai. When we are in a disagreement with somebody, just critique the idea, not the person. You can say, I don't agree with what you are saying, but unless you are very stupid to say that, it is wrong. Critique idea, don't attack anybody. Don't take it personally, don't attack people. Right? Communicate clearly and promptly. Check Sakai announcement, messages, and course site every day. As the students, as I said earlier on, your lecturers, your TAs, your tutors, the instructional designers communicate through Sakai. Even your course syllabus, your course schedule, timetable is on Sakai. Every announcement go through Sakai, so make sure you go Sakai at least morning and evening, every blessed day. Go and check announcement, go to the forum and see if something is there. Go and check if there's assignment for you. Very, very important. And if you are able to activate your UG email address, it will go through your email. That will help you. Respond to instructors and your peers within 24 hours when it's possible. If a lecturer sends an email, sometimes maybe you forget to send an announcement or do an activity. A lecturer can send you an email requesting for you to what? Submit. Or maybe you submit the wrong assignment. Let's just say resubmit what? The correct assignment. If you don't do it within 48 hours, there's a problem. That's why I said check your email, go to Sakai every day to see if there's something for you. Check the announcement, check the messenger, check your email all the time. When you are sending messages, either email or forum, make sure your subject line is clear and includes the course model and course code to identify in the message subject line. Very, very important. Some of you don't even know how to send an email. You type everything in the subject line, which is wrong. The subject line contains the information you want to send. Then the main one go to the body, that box that you type the message there. Be clear in your messages that you are communicating to your lecturer, instructor, or anybody on Sakai. Let it be clear. Follow academic integrity. Very, very important. Do your own work. Do your work. Cite source. If you do assignment, whatever you get information from, cite the source. Reference the source. Very, very important. Follow referencing rule. Right? You also can use what? Normal what referencing rule. You have to know and understand the APA system that you use at the University of Ghana. So you have to read, then cite properly. Do not plagiarize. Don't cheat. Don't copy somebody's work and submit as your own. It is wrong. You can be what? Punished for that. Read the University of Ghana plagiarism and what? Online learning policy. It's on UG website. Read it carefully and avoid cheating or copy somebody's work. Do not share answers. It is wrong. Unless you have been told to do so. Don't share your answers with your peers. It is wrong. When you are not sure about group work, ask your instructor through Sakai. Talk to your group members and get what? Clarification out of this. Very, very important. Next, protect your account and your privacy. If you want to change your password on Sakai, use strong password. Don't share your password with anybody. Some of you, you give your details for me to submit your assignment for it is wrong. Please, can you submit my assignment? This is my ID and the PIN. Don't ever do that. It is wrong. If somebody gets your details, the person can do something on your course site. So never ever share your ID and your PIN with your friend. Some of you, somebody will accept your course for you, it is wrong. Somebody will assignment for you, it is wrong. Do everything on your own. You pay your own school fees. You are responsible for your activities. Don't share your privacy information to anybody. Always log out when you finish using Sakai on a public or a shared resources. If you use somebody's laptop to do assignment, when you are done, log out. When you are done, log out. If you go to department lab or come to UGCS or go to any shared or public place to use computer there, when you are done, log out. Don't save your details authentication that on that piece. Anybody else can use it to do something against you. Please protect your account and your privacy. Use Sakai tools appropriately. Forums, assignments, and virtual meetings. Post constructive on topic contributions. When I'm using forum, for every forum, we're giving what? Instruction on how to post. When we are discussing in the forum, be constructive. It's academic work. It's not your personal WhatsApp. And some of you, the shortcut you use of WhatsApp is reflecting your academic work. It is wrong. You can get 0. If you use the WhatsApp language on academic work, you'll be punished. Please avoid using what? That language you use on WhatsApp on Sakai is different from academic work. Assignment files in a required format is very, very important. When I give an assignment, make sure you use what the recommended file. If it's a presentation, use PowerPoint. If it's a text document, use Microsoft Word. Period. Make sure you always beat deadlines. Sakai time is not your time. When I give you any activity or Sakai, you submit before the deadline. Please, at least 24 hours before the deadline. When I give you any assignment or any activity or Sakai, submit 24 hours before the deadline. Don't wait the last hour. Unless there's a situation that you cannot avoid. As please don't make any mistake. Sakai time is not your time. And once the assignment is closed, you can't do anything about it. The only lecturer who can watch open it for you, but lecturers don't do that. So make sure you do what make any mistake to what not beat the deadline. When we are in a virtual thing like what we are doing now, when we are in an online class, mute yourself when you're not speaking. It's so annoying that when a lecturer is talking and there's a noise at the background, it is not good at all. Right? It's not good at all. So please make sure you mute yourself when you're not talking. And make sure your environment is not noisy. Anytime you have an online lecture, please go to a quiet place. This is your life. Don't joke with your life. You have paid for this school. Make sure you get something good out of it. If your mother is paying for you, it's an investment to your future or for your future. So please don't make any mistake. Make sure you enjoy every lecture fully. Some of you learn when you are in a live lecture. So pay attention and be more responsible in an online environment. If you are to show your face, for example, during the presentation, you have to show your face. Let me show my face to you. If you are to show your face, I don't see my face. If you are to show your face, that is me. Make sure your background, your environment is clear, right? Don't dress anyhow because sometimes you see, so the ladies, they are on their bed wearing their underwear and tie their head. It is not good. If you know you're in an online class, please, it's just like a normal classroom, right? Behave very well. I'm going up. That is my face. I'm a human being. Then let's move to how to manage your time online. Very, very important. Make sure, as I said, you go to Sakai promptly every day. Now, your readings, get your personal schedule, personal timetable, because most of you are adults and you have your personal problems. Don't add your problems to your studies. Manage your time very well. Know what to learn, when to learn, which to learn, how to learn, and where to learn at any point in time. It is very, very important. Know what to learn, which to learn, where to learn, how to learn, and so on and so forth. You come from work and you are very tired. Please don't read your book. If it is critical, do something which is more lively, like maybe calculation or group activities. If you are tired, don't read. You can sleep like an hour or 2 hours, go and have a nice shower, take a cup of tea, and start reading. You'll be fine. If you are confused, don't read. Use Sakai calendars as reminders. You can what? Set calendar on Sakai as a reminder. Or your phone with calendar as a reminder to remind you of your activities. Start assignment early to avoid technical or connectivity. I've already talked about this one. Ghana, doing so is a challenge. Internet connectivity is a challenge. So when you're given an assignment, make sure you submit the assignment early, at least 24 hours before the deadline. If you have any issue, go to your center. We have internet connectivity there. We have Wi-Fi and computer lab that you can use to submit your assignment. You don't have any excuse. You all have centers, regional centers. So if you have any challenge, go to regional center and what? Submit your work there or do activity there. Be mindful of digital footprint. Whatever you post on something online, or when you are posting, think before you post. Listen carefully. Before you post anything online, think before you post. Whatever you post online will be there forever and ever. So whatever you leave as digital footprint, think before you post. When you're leaving photos, your username, and anything you post online, but think before you post. Be cautious of sharing your personal information in an open space. Some of you, when you see any form online, you feel it. You share your information anyhow. Be very careful. Seek help and use available support. Seek help and use available support. Firstly, for you, we are designing a dashboard where you can go and send every whatever change that you have, can do it there. I think maybe yesterday we were told how to communicate, how to what. If you have a complaint, how to send it through. The children have gotten it through. Myself and Gasapa, we are there for technical support. We help you to do that. We are on every course site. If you have any issue, go to course site. Go to email. Gasapa show how to receive the email. Go to instructor. You find our name there. You find Receive Amadu or Kasapa. Send us email on the problem that you are having. Or talk to your lecturer. Lecturer's information is on the home page. And when you go to email to, it is there. Join study groups. You can form a virtual study group. It's possible. Or if you are close to somebody, form study groups. Those in Accra, you can meet somewhere, maybe weekends or after work or your free time and discuss. It's very, some of you, you learn best when you are what, in a group discussion. So get study partner. It's very, very important. Right? Then the last thing that I'm giving you to take home, read your course rules. Very, very important. Every course has a rule. Read it carefully. Read your study guide. The first day you go for lecture, or even before the lecture, read the study guide thoroughly to see every information. Notice everything on it, the study guide. Back up your work. Proofread before posting when you do assignment. Any activity you're going to submit on Sakai, proofread. Don't share your credential. Don't plagiarize. Don't post offensive content. Don't miss deadlines. Be responsible online and behave very well, and it will help you to succeed. Sakai is there for every activity you are going to do as far as online learning is concerned. You will have your course materials, your course activities like assignments, forums, and the rest, and communication among yourselves and from the lecturer, the tutors, and the DE team. Right? That's what I have for you this morning. Any question? Asampana, question. Hello? Those who have any question? Pastor, can you unmute them for them to talk? Then after that, you mute all of them.
Uma, you can ask your question. Mary, you can ask a question. And if
okay,
you can ask
good
question.
morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Please, my question is pertaining the timetable. Are the timetable going to be released few days prior to lecture, or I don't know how it's going to be done? And secondly, the Wi-Fi accessibility on the learning center. Are we going to be giving details of the Wi-Fi login? Thank you.
I'm talking about the Wi-Fi. We'll talk about the timetable. The Wi-Fi, once you have paid your school fees, you have registered, right? You just go to your center, you activate it for you. Use your ID and you log into the Wi-Fi. Once you have registered, when you go to the center, they activate it for you. That's for Wi-Fi. Can I talk about the timetable?
The timetable, I will make sure it's released to your Sakai. I've sent it to the regional centers. You can check it from your regional coordinators, center coordinators. Equally, because you're hundreds, I would upload it on your Sakai for you so that you have access to it too. Okay. So within the week, Monday to Thursday or Wednesday, you should see your timetable on your Sakai page. Okay. Equally, you can take it from you can go to your regional centers or all of that's your regional centers. They will show you the timetable, but I'll put it on Sakai for you. All right. Okay, Alaji.
Okay, next question.
Sampana, Meridako, Lucas, you're free to talk. You can unmute your mic and talk. Olivia Amazon, you can unmute your mic and talk. Ask your question.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Olivia.
Yeah,
Oliver,
so please,
sorry,
I
Oliver.
wanted to ask about our various respective courses. Like, for instance, something like psychology like this. I learned we'll have to be joining individual groups. So I wanted to know how would we be communicated in order to get the group links to join the respective courses. For instance, the psychology, as I mentioned, and I think French and other ones as well.
Okay, that's a good question. Alaji, will you answer that?
Yes, sir. I know. I think the first lecture they will be told, and the groups will be created on Sakai. So you go and join the one you want. They will create a joinable set on Sakai based on the size of the class. So assuming if you are 500, and the group will maybe into 5. Once one group gets 100, it will close. So as soon as you hear that you have been grouped, go to Sakai, go to site info, because will show you how to do it. Then you join the group on Sakai. right? You see the name of the groups based on the cost. Then you join. Thank you.
My voice to what Alaji said, I will teach you how to join a group on Sakai when I take my turn. Okay. All right. You can unmute yourself. Lucas, you can unmute yourself and talk. Mary, I don't know if you've spoken. Ruth, you can unmute yourself and ask your question.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please, my question is centers. I wanted to ask if we can go to the centers during weekdays to like access the library, to have like some of us who don't really have a conducive environment to study. So I was asking if during weekdays that we are free, maybe we are not going to work and that things, can we go to the centers to learn, or is only opened on weekends? Thank you.
Oh, it's there all the time. Centers are open 24 all the time during the week. We have staff there. We have computer lab. We have the IT engineer who is in the computer lab during the normal working hours. So if you need any assistance, just go there. They will help you. They will help you. They have libraries that you can go and learn, right?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Even those in Accra, Kumasi, and Takoradi, even we have a lecture which is ongoing during the week. So there are even people on there all the time, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. And if you don't in Accra, you can even go to BAM Library to go and learn. And go to main campus library and come and learn. It's acceptable. Hello.
Hello.
If you have a question, just say and just go on. Because we don't have much time.
If you have a question, go ahead. Yeah.
Hello. Good morning.
Yes. Morning.
Please, even though you have asked us to jot some points on your presentation right now, as you know, it's ongoing. But my question is, in case one wants to, visit all what you have presented, how can we officially get, this information? And then my second question is, you also, told us how to do our assignment and then present it on a format. Can you also stress on that point again, whereby we can do the assignment and then present it, well? That's my question.
For the presentation, it's not a PowerPoint presentation. It's points that I jot down to take you through, right? I just jot down a few points to take you through how to behave online. So it's not a PowerPoint presentation that I can share with you. That's why I said join your own points down, right? Secondly, for the assignment, if any lecturer gives you assignment, they'll give you the format they want. Furthermore, if it's normal text submission, use Microsoft Word. If it is a presentation, use PowerPoint. For example, if I'm teaching you how to use ePortfolio, I will tell you the software to use for the ePortfolio. So it depends on the direction or the instructor discretion, right? But the normal one, if it's a text assignment, use Microsoft Word. If it's a assignment, use PowerPoint. Some of you use PDF for the assignment. It's not good. Unless the lecturer said I want PDF version. Else use Microsoft Word. If it's group work, use PowerPoint. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, go on.
Yeah, good morning.
So please, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Please.
Yeah, so please, I would like to.
Go on.
Please, I would like to ask how to submit our assignment on Sakai, how to control Sakai and all. I think it to be the best way to show us.
It's okay. I said that Kasapa will come and take you the hands on. He will show you how to use Sakai. From this, after this, he's going to take over. He's going to do practical aspect of Sakai. So show how to log in, how to submit your assignment, how to download your course materials, and so on and so forth. So this one, you'll be taken care of. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Thank you very
I'll
much.
take 2 more questions, then we end.
Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please,
Oh.
my concern is
Mhm.
please, my concern is how are the course reps going to be elected, and when would that take place?
That one is the course base. When we meet the lecturer, we tell you how what to do. So don't worry about that one. It's not our duty to do that. The last person.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Person should be a lady. The last person should be a lady.
Has got
A
something
lady.
to do with our
A
email.
lady. A
Like
lady.
Professor was saying.
Let him finish, Kataba.
Yes.
You said what?
The email. Yesterday, I was on Accra City campus, and I had to go back and forth with the email.
Okay.
I have logged in. The normal process I had to go through to get my email activated. I have gone through the normal process, but I'm still not receiving any messages in my email. So I went to the department that is in charge of rectifying such issue. I went back and forth. They told me that I shouldn't worry. I'll get my messages popping up into the email account. Until now, I've not received any message. So in case we begin class and assignment or important information are shared over there, I'm wondering how I'll be able to get access to such information. So if there could be a permanent resolution to this problem so that we can all be on the safer side. Thank you.
I think you said they said once you are able to activate, you receive an email.
Yes.
Yes. So just be assured that what the person said is going to be okay, right? Because emails are sent by human beings. If you send an email, you won't receive any email. And you haven't started your course yet to receive a message from your course site. So don't worry. Once you're able to activate, receive your email. So make sure you activate your email address. Go to the center, activate your email address, and it'll be fine. The last question you give it to a lady, then we end.
Good
One lady
morning.
should speak. Good morning,
Okay,
madam.
please, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh. Please, my question is about the password. You were talking about Sakai password, but the password, the default one, can it be changed?
You can change your PIN, which is the password on Sakai. But make sure
So the
you
one
won't
that
forget the
comes
one
with
you have
your
changed.
student ID, the
That is your
default one,
password. That's your
can that be
password.
changed?
You can change it. But when it's the same thing you use on the MIS web for the academic registration. But MIS is different from Sakai. So when you change Sakai PIN, it doesn't work with the one that was with the MIS. Listen, when you change your Sakai PIN, it doesn't work on the one with the MIS. So make sure if you want to use different ones, fine. If you want to use the same thing, make sure whatever you change here, where you change it to. And somebody will show you how to change your password on Sakai, right? Okay. So on this note, thank you very much for your time. See you some other time.
Oh,
Bye
please, I want to
bye.
ask you one last question. Please,
What is that?
can I tell you one last question? Okay,
Yes.
so is Sakai's registration. And
Your line is not clear. Your location is very bad.
what is starting soon on 24th?
Please come
Meanwhile,
again.
our
Come
lectures
again.
were supposed to start on the 7th. So I completed
Please come again. Hello. Come again. I didn't hear what you said.
Your connectivity, your line is bad. Your line is bad. We can't hear you.
Okay, so when you're back, when I keep talking, you're back. Ask the question. Why? So for now, I'm done. Bye bye for now.
Thank you, Alaji. What do we say to him? Alaji, we are grateful for the time. Ali, he's told you the do's and don'ts, how to study online, how to go through this course successfully without challenges. You get it. He told you the environment you should find yourself in when having classes. You should know your environment, know how you communicate online, the equipment you need, good connectivity. You need at least a laptop to give you. You can use your smartphone, but a laptop would be better. You get it. All right. Thank you, Alaji. Okay. So with that much, I'm going to share my screen. So we zoom into how to use Sakai. Okay. The question is, what is Sakai? All right. Sakai is a learning management system, okay, that's used to facilitate online teaching and learning. Sakai, okay, my name is Frank. Let me show myself. My name is Frank. This is me. I guess you can see me. Yeah, that's me. My name is Frank Kasapa. Okay. Myself and Alaji, we are the instructional technologists. Okay. So we are here to assist you, your online studies, Sakai. Any challenge you have, we are there to support, as Alaji said. So I'm just adding my voice to what Alaji said. Okay. So I'm going to turn my camera off. I guess you've all seen my face. If you've seen my face, just give me a reaction. Okay, good. Meaning you've seen me. All right. So I'm going to turn off my camera. I'm Frank, or you usually see Frank Kasapa. All right. I'll be supporting you tech-wise in your whole 4 years journey. Myself and Alaji, my boss. Okay, good. So I asked, what is Sakai? Okay. I said Sakai is a learning management system to facilitate what or support teaching and learning online. Do you get it? To support online teaching and learning. All right. It complements the traditional brick and mortar classroom. You know, we are in the 21st century. We are in a technological age. Everything is technology. And you can't afford to say that for me, I don't know how to use this. I don't know. You have to learn it. It's a deliberate act. You have to learn how to use you have to learn how to use technology. The era of paper and pen is gradually moving away. You get it? Though it's complementary. You get it? So please bear in mind that you have to be tech savvy because education is being transformed. We have EdTech, educational technology. Do you get it? You've heard of AIs, artificial intelligence. Most of you know ChatGPT, the popular one, Gemini. Do you get it? Yeah. You have to learn how to use all these, okay, to give you a smooth sail in your academic work or your course of study, 4-year course of study in Legon. All right. So I'm going to share my screen. I said this Sakai is what? Let me reiterate it again. Sakai is a learning management system that's used to facilitate what? Online teaching and learning. All right. So to access Sakai, you can type Sakai in any browser. You can see my browser. Sakai, sakai.ug.edu.gh. Or you can just type Sakai. Just type Sakai in any browser like this. Sakai. Okay. Just type Sakai in any browser. Oh, I'm coming. Just let me make it simple. Like the Sakai, Sakai. Like this in any browser. It's to search and you can see the link here and click on it. So it brings you to this interface. Right. I had somebody trying to ask change of password. When you are in your interface like this, you see reset password. But listen, let me tell you, if you are ready to change your password is your student to log into Sakai. You are all given admission letter. You log in with your student ID and your PIN. You all have it in your admission letter. Your student ID and your PIN. You should know it by now. Please, your student and ID and PIN should be off head and off your fingertips. Do you get it? It should be off your head. When they ask you your ID, your PIN. Your ID is, I think, 8 digits. Your PIN is 5 digits, okay? Bear it in mind, it's in your admission letter. However, if you are ready to change your PIN, be ready to remember it. Listen carefully. I'm putting the caveat. If you are ready to reset your PIN on your Sakai or change your PIN on your Sakai, be ready to remember it. Don't change your PIN, okay, and later come and tell us that you can't log into Sakai. Trust me, I will not mind you. You get it? I said, if you are ready to change your PIN or your Sakai password here, you can reset it here. You enter a student mail and send a code. It will go to your mail. I said, if you are ready to change your PIN on Sakai, be ready to remember it. I've emphasized this severally. Don't change it and later come and tell us that you can't remember it. You are responsible for whatever you do. All right. So you enter Sakai by entering your student ID. Here, top right corner, 2222, maybe 54, something, your ID and your PIN, 5 digits, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you get it? Assume that's your PIN. I'm not a student, so I'm going to log in into my interface for us to see. So I said to log into Sakai, you type what? Sakai in any browser, just SAKAI. Or you type Sakai, sakai.ug.edu.gh. I'll type it in the chat. I'll put it in the chat, okay? So sakai.ug.edu.gh or normal Sakai in any browser. So any browser, it can be, the browser can be what? Chrome, Firefox, Safari, those who use Apple. It can be Microsoft Edge. It can be Opera Mini. It can be any browser. Chrome. Just type Sakai into it and open it up. Okay. Now, when you log into Sakai, this is the interface it gives you. Okay. It takes you to your homepage. Now, to your top right corner, you see your initials. My name is Frank Kasapa, so you see FK in the top right corner here. I guess you can all see FK. You can change your profile. You can put in a picture, but that's not my bone of contention now. You can log out. When you're done with Sakai, where your initials is, you click on it and log out. You get it. Now, for those who use smartphones, I will advise you to master it very well. If you don't have a laptop, know where the tools and functions are on your smartphone. Ideally, I would prefer when doing things on Sakai online, either taking assessment, download, use laptop to see everything clearly. Ideally, I would advise. But if you don't have, just know how to manipulate your smartphone well to get your tabs and course codes and all on your smartphone. Is it clear? Now, to see your courses, all your courses on Sakai, you see view all sides, this icon here, view all sides, you get it. Now, listen to me. If you can't log into Sakai for now, okay? If you can't log into Sakai for now, either you have not registered for your courses, because let me address that first. To be able to log into Sakai, you should be able to register your courses. You should pay your school fees. After 28 or 48 hours, you should register your courses in your MIS. All right? After you've registered your courses in your MIS, it goes into the proof of registration. Make sure you always have a copy of your proof of registration in your MIS. Download a copy or take a snapshot on your phone that you've really registered for the semester. What makes you register? The proof that you have registered for the semester can be found on your proof of registration. It's your MIS. So when you go to under registration, your MIS registration, you see when you've registered your courses, registration, you see it on the proof of registration. Take a snapshot or keep a copy or download it for future reasons. Always cross-check your courses that you've registered are on the proof of registration. I'm emphasizing on this. You can pay your school fees and your courses have not been registered. You have wasted your whole semester. You can forfeit a whole year. You have to defer. Listen to me again. You can pay your school fees. You've not registered your courses. You can't write exams. That means you have to defer that year, not even that semester. Because if you've not done first semester, you cannot do second semester. You have to defer a year. So it tells you that registering your course is key and important. Make sure your courses are showing on your proof of registration. Cross-check with a friend. Cross-check with a... Don't let your friend know your credentials. It's not right. Don't let any friend know your student ID and PIN. But you can ask them, oh, maybe you can show you, have I registered? Or you can go to your learning center, ask the coordinator, the IT guys, oh, they should check whether you've registered for your courses after paying your school fees. Is it clear? All right. Once you have registered, once the courses are showing on your proof of registration, Sakai, after 24 to 48 hours, listen to me, after the courses are showing on your proof of registration, you've registered, Sakai, after 24 or 48 hours, will pick them and load them automatically into Sakai. Nobody adds it manually to Sakai. Sakai will pick it automatically. And when it picks it and you log in, listen, if you've not registered for your course, please listen again. If not registered for your course in your MIS and it's showing on your proof of registration, you can't log into Sakai. Do you all understand? I said, if you've not registered for your courses in MIS and your courses are not showing in your proof of registration, you can, after 24 or 48 hours, you can log into Sakai. You need to register your courses before you can log into your Sakai every semester. All right, good. So when you've registered after 48 hours, Sakai picks it. So here on my interface here, after 24 hours, Sakai will pick it. And you see all your courses in view all sides. This icon, the white box, sometimes it's black. 9 dots. You see this 9 dots. If you call it view all sides, you can see all your courses displayed here. Is it clear? All your courses displayed here. So if you are doing, let's say, UGRC 150, 110, UGRC 110, academic writing, you see it appear here. Okay? You see it appear here. All right. Or you are doing UGRC, UGBS 101, UGBS 101. It will appear here. It's also pinned. It can be pinned to your right side. Your right side. Do you see your pin courses here? Pinned to your left side. Sorry. If it can be pinned to your courses can be pinned to your left side. Okay. So you can see your courses there. So I've seen some text coming. Let me check what is in the text. Okay. We can't see where the cursor is pointing. Okay. Okay, there's a let me take it again. Let me go to the home page. Okay. I have a lot of courses, so forgive me, I'm using my course site. So your courses can be found here. Watch the cursor, where the cursor is. View all sides. Then here, or they can be pinned to the left side here, where the cursor is loading. So let it load. Here, they can be pinned to the left side. Here, your courses are pinned. Do you see it? They are pinned here. All right, they are pinned here. Should I change the background? Are you okay with the white background? If you're not okay, I can change the theme for you so that it will be black. Give me a sign if you're okay with the white background, or I can change it to black. Are you okay with the white background? Give me a reaction. Oh, give me a reaction, a thumbs up. Okay, let me see. Nobody is giving me reaction. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, please? Hello, are you there?
Please, we can hear you. I think the white background is okay.
It's okay. All right. All right. Interact with me. Okay. Interact. Okay. Let me change the background to and see if that will be more. Let me try and see preference. You can go to home preference and then. Okay. Theme. I'm changing to the black background so that it will be a bit visible. I'm using the dark background. Okay. Okay, so I think this is better. You can all see. So I said, when you log into Sakai, to see all courses, you can find it here. View all courses. There's 9 white dots. Okay. Or they are pinned to your left side here, where the cursor is.
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Hello, Kasapa.
Yes, please. Yes, please. I can
Yeah,
hear
this,
you.
yeah, this is Brian Kumasi.
Yeah,
Please, is
right.
the fonts are too small. I think it's with the fonts.
Okay.
So you can match my
All right. Let me make it bolder.
Okay.
Is it bolder?
Yes, and I think change back to white, the white thing.
You like the white thing?
Yes, but just maximize the font.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so basically this I think, so your courses are what displayed either pinned. When you Sakai picks them, they will be pinned to your left side here. Okay, You'll be pinned to your left side. You see it? Or you can find your courses here. You see there's 9 white dots. Click there and you see your courses. So assuming you want to visit a course site, it will be here. Let's say you want to visit Psych 101. Okay, Psychology 101. You click on it. When you click on the course, you see it here. When you click on it, can be pinned to your left side here. So you can also visit it by clicking on the pin course site. All right, so there's it. It's now when you click on the course site, you see these tools: overview, syllabus, lessons, calendar, announcement, resources, discussions, assignment, test and quiz, gradebook, Dropbox, chat room, email archives, site info, rubrics, message, statistics, polls, comments, and email. Okay. So each course site has these tools. All right. You each listen to me. This Psych 101. You see these two. Let's go to UGRC 150. UGRC 150. They all have the same tools. Okay. 150. So each course site okay, UGRC 150. Each course site have the same tool. So overview, syllabus, announcement, lessons, assignment, tests, and quizzes. All right. So you can navigate through. So this one is being built. So here, some of the tools are hidden. That's why you can see it. Okay. All right. So he's building, the lecturer is building the course site. So ideally, you should see overview, lessons, announcement, resources. All right. Resources, test and quizzes, assignment, grade book. Do you get it? Some have been hidden. Don't worry. He knows what he's doing. All right. Let's see another one. Let's say UGBS 101, UGBS 105. Okay, UGBS 105. And we'll look at poly. Okay. So this UGBS 105. All right. So you have overview. So each course site has these tools: overview, syllabus, lessons, calendar, announcement, resources, discussions, assignment, test and quizzes, gradebook, Dropbox, chat room, email archive, site info, rubrics, message. Do you get it? But the tools you use a lot are what? Your overview. That's where information will be put as to what the course is about. The syllabus, the course study guide, they will be put there. We will build it for you. The lessons, weekly lessons, week 1, what you'll be dealing with. Week 2, what you learn. Week 3, what you learn. Week 4, we put it under lessons, okay? So we break them down for you so that it will be simpler. So week 1, this weekend, what you'll be treating. Week 2, what you'll be treating. Week 3, what you'll be treating. We'll break it down. Announcement, be taking announcements. Resources. These resources are where lecture slides, tests, and quizzes. Lecture slides, article, books, ebooks are put, okay, videos for you to watch, or maybe your lecture slides for you to download. Is it clear? Discussions are for debating. So assessment tools, the discussion, I said resources are for what? Resources the lecturer puts there for you to download for the course, okay? They can be put. Now, discussions, assignment, tests, and quizzes are for assessments. Discussions, assignment, tests, and quizzes are for assessments. Gradebook, when you assess, you see your grades in the gradebook, all right? Site info, where maybe if there are groups, let me make it big. Yeah. Sorry. Can you all see? Site info. Site info is where somebody asks of joining groups. If you are asked to go and join a group, let's say on UGBS 105, go to site info, okay? You see the groups to join in the site info page, and you can click join. You see the group down here. The groups will be down here, and then you can say join now. Check with your timetable which will be appropriate, and then you join a group. Okay, join now. Site info. I said to join a group, where do you go? Site info. Under the course site info. Down the page site info, you see groups to join, joinable site. You see joinable sites, and then you join. You click and join. Okay, I'll demonstrate it. All right, so let me show you a typical core site and how it looks like. All right, how the core site will be. So I've told you the tools under the core site. So I'm going to use this as a demo for you to see. This is how a typical course site will look like. Okay. The lecturer's details will be there. Course overview. Okay, let me show you a typical one. Let me give you a typical one. Good. The typical course site, you see the lecturer's information. Do you get it? The overview. What the course is about. The title, the overview give you the course title, computer applications in business, the lecturer's name, department, system, and its email. All right. And you have here course overview, what the course is about. Some information should be put there, okay, for you. All right. So the lecturer will put, maybe if you are in groups, the lecturer will tell you some information. But to join a group, watch me. To join a group, there are questions a person asks. You come to site info on the course site info. I'm clicking site info, how to join a group. Okay. And then you see the groups will be created here. Okay. No group has been created, but the groups with site info, then you join. Okay. Good. Now, study guide. Study guide, you can download it. What the whole course is about, assignments, activities, the lecturer put in a study guide. You see it. So you can download the study. Watch me. I can download the study guide. Do you see it? What I'm downloading it. I've downloaded the study guide. In your free time, you can read it. Okay. What the whole course is about is in the study guide. All right. Okay. Now, session one. Session one has to do with the we have 8 weeks. Okay. For DE course, you have 8 weeks. Some will make it 12. It depends on the lecturer. But session one is for the first week. So ideally, for each week, you see the overview, what you'll be treating for the week, the learning outcomes, and the lecture slide. Is it clear? The lecture slides here for the session one. All right. Session two. That's week 2. Session 2 will be for week 2. Do you get it? What you'll be treating. This is how a typical course size for D will look like. So level 100s, don't worry, we've not started building your site. By Wednesday, Thursday, this is how you see your site, okay? So week 2, you'll be treating computer applications in business, okay? Course, the objective, outline, and then the lecture slides. Let's say week 4. So up to week 8, is it clear? Week 8, all right? So weekly, we break it down for you to understand, to make it simple for you to go along weekly activities. All right. We call them sessions. All right. Good. So week 8, you'll be treating Microsoft Access tutorials. Okay. That's for week 8, databases. All right. Now, for any announcement, you get it in the announcement page. Be checking your announcements, please. Be checking your announcement. What is what has the lecturer or the instructor or tutor will communicate with you through the announcement? Is it clear? So always check your announcement. So for here, there's no announcement. Yes, the lecturer has not put in an announcement there. Let's check resources. Okay, good. There are materials in the resources. Let me make it big. So can you see resources are where the lecture slides are. Here we organize this in terms of weekly sessions. When you see the session one, session two, session, there's weekly activities and things you can for each week. Do you get it? The slides are here. The slides are in each of the sessions too. So you can download the slides here. Okay, just click on them onto your pen drive, onto your laptop, onto your slide phone, and be reading ahead of time. Please, let me tell you, let me put in a caveat. You can't be a university student and not be a reader. Let me tell you again. Let me emphasize on it again. Let me rephrase again. You can't be a university student and not be a reader. What did I say? You have to constantly read, else you'll be found wanting during exams. You have to constantly read, at least every day. Try and read something about your books. Something will stay. When you go to the IE interim exams or IE or exams, something you can have something to write. There's no way you'll be there, you don't read, and you think you can write something, you lie. It will not work. It is not magic. Try and read something. Okay, so you can download them and be reading, all right, in your office. When you close, I know some of you are husbands and wives, you are tired. 1 hour in the night, try and go through. Just know when it will be appropriate for you to read. When the kids are not there to worry you, go and hide somewhere. Small in the office. Read small. Do you get it? That's the secret about surviving university. Read. All right. And that's about life. It will even improve the way you speak and everything. All right. So that's my advice. You can't be a degree student and not read. All right. Or not sit down and work your math problems, or not. Alaji said, my colleague said, join group studies to motivate you. Sometimes you can't do it alone. Is it clear? You get tired, you get depressed sometimes, but if you're in group studies, it keeps you going. Do you get it? They're having group studies. You join. Somebody will say something, it will add up something you read more. Do you get it? So resources, you can find the materials in your resources, okay? All right, so let's see. Now let's go to assignment. Yeah, let me not use this page. I'll do something in assignment. I'll show you something. I'm going to create an assignment. I'll teach you how to submit an assignment. Assignments are like essay type work. Do you get it? Either you type it in Word document and upload or attach, just as you attach emails. Is it clear? All right. So I'm going to create an assignment. I'll teach you how to use tests and quizzes as well, okay? So, good, there's an assignment here. Good, I can edit it, perfect. I can edit it and we see how it works. Perfect. Yeah. Let me change the date and then trigger it to see how it works. Due date, let me make it, today what? We are in 2026. Let me make it due date July. Don't worry about July 2026. Don't worry. Due date 2026. Let me make it July 2026. All right. Okay. Okay. 10 points. Okay. Use. Okay. All right. So let's see how this is. So I want to demonstrate how assignments are done. Okay. Listen. Let me make it bold so that I can see. So this is an assignment. Okay. Assuming you've been given assignment for one of your courses, you go to assignments. You'll be given an announcement that you have an assignment. When you come, you see assignment, the title here. Do you see it? This is how you see it. When you click on the assignment 2, this is assignment 2. When you click on it, on the right pane, you see this assignment, the title, in progress. Open date, check the open date. Okay, and due date. Please, listen, when the due date passed, you will not get anybody to open it for you. Don't just be there, nothing is happening. Please be checking your Sakai daily, what is happening there. Don't say you are in Legon, so you are proud, you are walking about saying you are in Legon. That is not what it takes. It's the day of graduation. Please, just involve yourself in activities, in group work. Everything that has a beginning has an end. Okay? All right. So check the open date. When is it open? When is it due? Make sure you submit before the due time and date. Check. It can be at 5 p.m. The due date is 5 p.m. This is 8 July, okay? You can submit it 8 July at 3 p.m. It will work. When you submit it when you come 8 July at 6 p.m., you will not find this work available. So to submit this work, let me show you. You click on assignment. Do you get it? If I want to submit my work, I click on assignment. It's an assignment. It's a type work. Now, do you see here? The instruction is here. This is explain 5 courses of Corella. That's the assignment. Okay. I've done it. I've typed it in Word. I've saved it. So I browse here. There's inline and there's attachment. This is only attachment. If it is inline, you have to type, there will be a box provided. Listen, if there's inline assignment, I have to type. There's a box, a text box provided here. You type inside, but this is attachment only. You get it? So you've typed the work in Word, saved it. So you browse, you look for the work. Where is it? Select a file from your computer. Go to your computer or phone or smartphone. Go and look for the work. All right. Let me look for something. Assuming there's a work. I'm attaching it. You attach it. Proceed. You attach it. Okay. Proceed and submit. Listen. That's why I'm advising that for those who use phone, be careful. Not everything you can see in because the screens are small, not everything you can see. Make sure you submit the work. Make sure you submit the work. Is it clear? Okay. Make sure you submit the work. Is it clear? Sometimes you are given 2 attempts. This was given 1 attempt. When you are given 2 attempts, let me modify it. When you are given 2 attempts, you can submit it 2 times. Ideally, usually they give you only 1 attempt. If it's 2 attempts, maybe I've submitted 1 before. You can submit 2 times before the due date. Is it clear? And time, due date and time. If you have 2 attempts, if you have 2 attempts, you see it. Let me do this and for you to see. So for assignments, they are essay type. Okay. Assignments are essay type. Assignments are essay type. You type your work like not multiple choice. Okay. Allow number of submission. Let's make it 2. 2. Okay. I've allowed number of submission 2 times. Okay. So meaning before the due date, if I submitted 1, let's say if there is due 8 maybe is due this coming Monday. Today I can submit twice. All right. So let's say the lecturer has allowed for 2 submissions. Usually they allow for 1 submission. So before you submit, make sure you have done the right thing. Is it clear? So you see it here. Let me make it big. Do you see here? Number of resubmission allowed 2. Do you see? Deadline is what? Check due date. Check due date. Always check the due date before when to finish the work and submit. Submit before the due date so you can browse here. Do you see browse here? Browse. I'm submitting this way. Assuming I'm submitting a work. Let me make it clear for you. Do you all see my screen now? Select a file. You browse. Is this an assignment? Things you type and all things, okay? Then you select the Word, work in Word, and you proceed. Proceed and submit. Is it clear? So you make sure it's submitted. There's some challenge I'm having, so it's not submitting. But you also, when you submit, you should make sure it submits. Do you get it? You should see successfully submitted. If it's doing like what mine is doing, that means not submitted. You should see successfully submitted. Is it clear? Okay. This was assignment. Now let's check test and quizzes. Test and quizzes are basically multiple choice in nature. Choose BD, forgive me to use the word. Choose A, B, and fill in true or false. Who is the president of Ghana? Akufo-Addo, Mahama, Rawlings, Kufuor, Kwame Nkrumah. Do you get it? Those are multiple choice questions in nature. So I'm going to demonstrate one for you to see. So usually, most often you'll be using the tests and quizzes. Most of you will be using the tests and quizzes, but sometimes you'll be using the assignment too. All right, the assignment. So these are the commonest ones you'll be using is the tests and quizzes and the assignment too. I'm coming, okay. I'm finding a typical example, and then we practice with it. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to practice with this, so we see how it works. Test and quiz, they are mainly, as I said, multiple choice in nature. Who is the president of Ghana? You take, okay? You take the answer, okay? So when you click on test and quizzes as a student, you see this. How many minutes you have? What? Let me make the screen big. You see test music, 5 minutes, time limit. You always see the time limit. When is it due? Be mindful of the due date and the number of hours or minutes you have for the exam. So you click on it this way. Click on it. Go to test and quiz. Click on test this. Click on it. Read the instructions here. Again, you have 5 minutes until February 3rd to finish. 3 p.m. Whichever is shorter. Honor the pledge. You honor the pledge. You can submit this assessment 2 times. It's telling me I can submit 2 times, meaning I can take this assessment 2 times before the due date. But usually I'm giving 1 attempt. Again. So it says that now watch. I have 5 minutes, so you can see the time is green. You get it? Agbaja is regarded as a funeral music. True or false? You take the right answer. True. You know the answer. Forget about my answer I'm picking. Okay? You know the right answer. And the points will be there. Then you move to next. There's no need clicking save. Just move to next. Once you take the right answer, click on. You know the time. I have 5 minutes to finish it. So you can see 5 minutes. If it's 1 hour, you see it's a 1 hour something. All right. And the green tells me you have more time. The green tells me I have more time. I click on next. Akai is played in Agbaja performance. Akai is played in Agbaja performance. True or false? Me, I don't know. So, Chusubidi, you should know the answer. You are the one doing the. Take the answer and move to next. Are you with me? Are you there? Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Please, we are here. We are following you.
Great. So now this is who is credited for creating the Bobobo music tradition. This is a feeling. It's a feeling. Do you get it? So you type who is credited for creating the Bobobo. Philip Beu. If that's the answer, fine. Then this is feeling. Let me make it big for you to see. If you think this is just my answer. If you know the right answer, put it there. You are doing the exam, put it there. Okay. Me, I know it's Philip Beu. Whether it's true or not, the system will mark me. I don't know. It's that you are doing the exam. Whether it's true, the system will mark you. So don't worry. Next. Now this is for core embedded. Forget about this. This is usually not allowed. This is essay type, okay? We don't allow it in tests and quizzes. Okay, let's move to next. You see that this thing has changed. The color here has changed. It's telling me that my time, I'm running out of time. Do you get it? Once it changes from green to orange, you are running out of time. So the color coding helps you, okay? It says that two Ghanaian, let me make it big. Two Ghanaian musical instruments whose players sit on before playing are what? Two Ghanaian musical instruments whose players sit on before playing are what? Drum. Drum and comma are what? Drum and what? I don't know the other one. So you type the answer there. Do you get it? Me, I don't know. Y'all. So it's just for demonstration, okay? Don't worry. So phantom from. Whether it's true or not, I don't know. You are the student. You are learning. All right. So now you see, it has turned red. You see it has turned red, meaning I'm running out of time. So I need to finish this quickly before the time runs out. There's this one too. Which one of the statement is correct? Ball is for football. Ampe is for girls. So you take the right. This is Martin. Ball is for football. Ampe is for girls. I'm hungry. So let's say one. Ball is for football. You take and you move to next. It says, oh, the thing is running. Black is a funeral dance, blah, blah, blah. You take the right answer. Hey, I have 17 questions and I'm on, the time is beating me. True or false? So you see, my time is running up. I've not finished. It will submit the work. What team is African embezzle? Blah, blah, blah. My time has run out. It will submit the work automatically. You get it? It has submitted. I'm out. I answered only what? I answered only 8 questions out of 17. Fortunately, I have another attempt. So I'm going to try the second attempt. You get it? Fortunately, I have another attempt. So let's start again. Kundum. Oh, this thing is worrying me. I want to make it big so that when I want to zoom it, that's where. Kundum is part of the kete, percussion ensemble. True or false? True. Ignore this. This shouldn't have been so. It's not. This is essay type. We don't allow this ones in tests and quizzes. Okay. Agbaja is regarded. When I want to zoom in this one, Agbaja is regarded a funeral music. True or false? True. Agbaja. No. Agbaja is false. What is the name of the African ensembles? I don't know. I will skip. If I don't know, I'll skip. What is the team for this? We are using for example. Don't take it serious. What is the team for the African ensembles? Ensembles end of semester concert. I don't know. Move to next. 2 Ghanaian musical instruments whose players sit on it and plays. I don't know. Move next. The pioneer of Egban Negba music was Kwame Nkrumah. Whether it's true or not, the system will mark me. You can what? You can go to previous. Assuming I was not sure with an answer I chose, so I skipped. Listen, it is only when you see previous, okay, then you can go back. But some, if you can't see previous, meaning you can't go back. Is it clear? Some is linear, meaning you can't go back. So you don't have to skip. Is it clear? But this you can skip and come back because there's previous. Some if you see only next, meaning you can't skip. When you skip, you can't come back. Is it clear? But when you see previous, you can skip and come back. Black is a ritual dance. Black is a ritual funeral dance drumming ceremony among the Dagomba or the. We are just learning with this, so don't worry. Akaye is performed in Agbaja performance. I don't know. I've chosen an answer. I just want us to do something. This shouldn't have been like this. Ignore it. It's usually you can feel it. It says that which musical type is performed by students during sports competition? I don't know. So I'll skip. Where was the concert held? I don't know. Before Sutherland Park. Or drama studio. Next. Which traditional dance got named Sweetberry? Logo. I'm putting some things there. Do you get it? Next, I don't know this. This one, it says, which of the statement below is correct? Which of the statement below is correct? Ball is for football, armpit is for girls. I'm hungry. You get everything from your book, so don't worry. Let me just pick everything. Anything. Next. So watch. I'm done. Okay. It says that, watch here. Match the following item. Boy. You see, girl. Here is matching. These are you match. Maybe boy for girl is for voter hall. B. Common what is for boys. A. Saba is mixed. D. Saba hall is D. Hat is for blood. E. Lang is for air. C. You match it, okay? When you are done, you submit for grading. Watch here. You submit for grading when you are done. Click here. And then submit for grading when you are done. So I'm done. Do you see it? I've submitted the work. I have 2 attempts for this work, so I'm done with the test and quiz. So this is how test and quiz are. Is it clear? All right. Let's see. So when your lecturer releases the grade, you see the grades in the grade book. When the grades are released, you see, assuming they are marked and they are released, you see them in the grade book. Is it clear? Your results will be shown in the grade book. Some will be released for you, some will not be released, depending on the lecturer. Now, if you want to join a group, I said about a group. If you want to join a group, click on what? Site info. Good, there's group here. Watch here. If you want to join a group, click on site info. On the site info page, you see groups you are a member of. This have joined a group. If you have a group, you will see join, the groups will be here. The groups will be here. And you see join now. Is it clear? Okay, let me create a group for us to see how it works. Let me go and create a group so that I demonstrate this for you to see. So for big courses such as UGBS, African UGRC 150, UGRC 110, you'll be joining groups, and this is how you join the group. So I'm going to create a group so that we see how it's done, and then okay, so I've created some groups. Let's see how you join. So when you go to join Abu site info, join down here, groups you can join. You see the groups here. Do you see? Let me make it big for you to see. Do you see? So you can come here, group 1 up to group 10. You can then see join. Do you see join? You can then click on one and you join. All right, so you join. So you can then see the group you are a member of. Not until you join, you can't see your group members. Do you get it? So that is it. If you want to send an email to a lecturer using Sakai, you click email, on email, role, instructor. And then you see your lecturer's name here. Get to know your lecturer. The lecturer's name will be on the overview. Take the lecturer's name. And then just as you compose a mail, maybe had issues with my eye. Had issues with my eye. Please, if the reasons are not strong, they will not mind you. So make sure you do. Listen, avoid when you are giving assignment, test and quizzes, make sure you do it on time. Get a good connectivity, get a laptop, go to a area, or if I'll not say this, if you can, let me not put in this, get a good laptop. If it's a group you can join to do it so that with a good connectivity. See, do anything possible that will not give you excuses. You understand me? Do anything possible. Now not give you excuses because you will not get, the lecturer is hot, oh, he's handling a lot of people. You will not even see him. Even his mails is endured, okay? Then you type the content here. Dear sir, dear doctor, blah, blah, blah. Good afternoon, doctor. Be very moderate in your content. You send your content. Then you can send yourself a copy and then send a mail. It will go to the lecturer. Is it clear? It will go to the lecturer. So I'll receive a mail. I sent it to myself. I'll receive it. All right. Commons is used for, let's say, like WhatsApp chats, but not all times they are activated. Okay. So on that note, this is Sakai for you. Any question now? Are you there? If you have a question, the floor is open for you to ask your question.
Please, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead. Your line is breaking. Hello, can you hear me?
Please, I want to find out when we were doing the entrance.
Is the problem coming from my end or is from your
Hello?
end? Yes, I can hear you.
Yes. Okay. Please, I'm asking, when we were doing the entrance exams, we were given login details for Sakai. Is that one going to be deactivated? Are we going to need it at some point again?
Once you become a student, now you've been enrolled onto as a student, a regular student. Every student has an ID. It starts with 22 something. That's all you use. Forget about mature access. It's past and gone. You don't need it for anything again. Your admission letter, you'll be given a student ID and PIN. Use that.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Thank you.
All
yes,
right.
please. Thank you.
Any other person? Let me unmute you so that I'm allowing your mics so that you can ask your questions. Rebecca, Edith, Laurentia, you can ask your question. I'll unmute your mics. Let me see. I think there are some questions in the chat. Let me see.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. I can hear you.
Thank you for the education. Please, I have a little issue on my after doing the registration, the online registration, and then the center registration. After a week, I logged into my Sakai portal, but I only 4 courses was reflected in my portal, but on my course registration, the proof of registration is 5, but I'm seeing only 4 courses on my Sakai. So please, can you help? Thank you.
Hello, Laurentia. Which course is not showing on Sakai?
That is my heck.
Heck. Okay. Don't worry to show. What is the course code?
That is Introduction to Adult Education.
Is it pod 101?
No, ADLT 101.
ADLT. What level are you in?
I'm a fresher.
I don't think you do ADLT. It's now pod. When actual that course is now pod. That's what I know. When actual.
Yeah, Kasapa.
Yes.
Yeah, this is
Edward,
Eddie
good.
here.
Yeah, Eddie.
Concerning that particular program.
Uh-huh.
So for level 100, we don't do ADLT 101 anymore. It's now
Good.
PODC 101. So that's the course. So if you have ADLT 101 on your records, kindly send us an email to request for it to be changed, and we'll change it for you. Please hope you understand.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
You know how to send the email. You know the email to send to. COE. I'm putting the email.
No,
COE Academics. COE Academics.
Academics.
Eddie,
Okay.
is it with S?
Please, can I send it through my should I send it through the Sakai or my personal email?
Your personal email.
Yeah, you have to use your personal email.
Eddie, the academics,
email.
is it with S or without S?
Come again. The academic is without S. So it's COE ACADEMIC.
Yes.
The at sign.
Yeah, I'll put it in there.
.edu.gh. Yes.
Okay, so thank you, Eddie. Thank you. Any question again? Esther, Michael.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Edith.
Okay, go ahead.
This I want to ask, in case we don't have a laptop and we are given an assignment, can we come on campus and do it and submit instead of using our smartphone, since the laptop can be easily accessible for assignment? Thank you.
Come again. Sorry, come again. I didn't hear you clearly.
When we are given an assignment, can we come on campus or our centers and do it at the computer lab instead of using our smartphone?
100% yes.
Okay. Okay.
The centers are there with computers to assist you. Yes, you can go there, sit there, work, do your work. That's the essence of the centers. Yeah. To support you. Yeah. All right.
Good afternoon, Mr. Gaspar.
Good afternoon.
Please, this is Lilith.
It's morning still, but it seems
good morning.
You want to push the clock, eh?
Please, I have activated my mail, but I'm not receiving any mail. And I went to main campus and I was asked to go to UGCS. I've been there and they say it will come. A week now, I'm not receiving anything. And I went to city campus as well.
Don't worry. You receive mail. For now, you are 1100, so don't worry. The mails you receive, you'll be tired. Don't worry. It will come.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, my name is Michael.
Okay.
Yes, please, I there's this thing bothering on our timetable. I think I have two courses on the same like on the same period, during the same period. I wanted to ask how would I go about that?
What course is that?
I think I have so BSc business admin. BSc admin. Yes. So I think in one Sunday during the midday there, I have public administration and then French in one same column. Yes. So I wanted to ask how would I go about that? So it seems like while French class is going on, public administration class is also going on. So I wanted to ask how would I go about that one too?
Okay, so ideally, okay, I'll talk it out with your lecturer and we'll see how we go about it. Okay. Sometimes the lecturers can arrange with you to find a convenient time. I don't think you are the only one because your class, it will affect your class. So
hello, good afternoon.
Yes, you can arrange, just a minute. You can arrange with your lecturer. You can talk to your lecturer to find a convenient time. All right. That will do for each of you. Is it clear?
Okay,
but
sir.
We'll see it. We'll work on it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you
Next
very much.
person.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Lucy, good
Hello,
afternoon.
good morning. My name is Antonio.
Why are you all pushing the clock like that?
So, sorry,
It's morning
sir. Good
still.
morning, sir.
You've had
so
some
please,
lunch.
I wanted to find out how would we know which groups to join when we go on the Insight Info? Will our students' IDs be indicated there? Then you know that okay, I'm supposed to join group 1, 2, or 3.
No. The groups are there plenty. You check the time. The time will be there. The group, the day, the time. So you check the time that will be favorable for you. That's why it's a flexible group. So you check the time that will be favorable for you. You check your schedules. Then you join a group that might favor you.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, Alex Kumasi.
Okay.
Please, my question is, we know this is a system, and there could be anomalies or challenges within when maybe a student, I'm doing my assignment and then I'm facing some challenges on the system and I could not be able to submit my assignment on time. When that happens, what will you do? And then my second question is, at this juncture, can a student change a program? If I wish I change my program, can I do it, or can management help me to change my program?
That one, let me address the Sakai challenge, and Eddie, my colleague here, will address the change of program. Eddie, are you there?
Yeah.
Good. So let me address the
So
Sakai
should I
challenge.
take the question concerning the change
Yes.
program? Okay, sure. So when you're done.
Okay. So basically,
Hello.
wait. Please wait. Everybody, can you wait? Basically, if you are taking an assessment and you're having challenge, okay, you just alert us. You can send an email to me, or you can text me, you can call me, you can send an email to the lecturer to me. Let the class rep send an email to the lecturer or copy me. Once it's a genuine issue, you'll be given the opportunity to take it again. Because we can also know when the system has a problem. All right. So Eddie will handle the change of program issue. My colleague Eddie.
So ideally, if you want to change your program, you should have done that before you do your online registration. But if you do your online registration, it will be difficult for you. So, or if you want to change the program, you should have a valid reason for changing the program. And then you write to the director, Academic Affairs Directorate, requesting for a change of program, stating your reason for the change. Okay, and attach all the necessary documents, i.e., your admission letter, proof of registration to your email, and send it to the director's office, pending director's approval. So after the approval, that's when we can do the change for you. But if you have registered your courses, then unfortunately, that will be very difficult.
Okay, thank you, Eddie. I heard you. I guess you heard it. Yes.
Hello.
Yes,
please, please, immediately I had the admission. I consulted my organizer. He did it, but later he referred to me that it was not approved. Immediately I had admission. I informed my organizer about it, about the changes. I later informed you that he sent a message. He has done it, but it was not approved.
Yes, as I mentioned to you, there are approvals that you have to go to. So depending on the reason stated by you and the organizer, the director has the authority to approve or disapprove your application for the change of program. Please hope you understand. Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, so as I mentioned, it always depends on the director's approval.
Hello,
So,
good morning.
depending on the reason that was given.
Okay, yeah, Eddie, you are clear now. It's clear. So, Antonio, go ahead. Antonia.
Okay, so yes, Antonia.
Lazo.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I registered for 5 courses, but only 4 is showing on Sakai. My Psych 111 is not showing.
Psych 111.
Yes, elements of
Okay.
psychology. It's not reflecting in
When
Sakai.
did you register?
I registered on the 19th of January.
Okay. I'm checking. Psych 111. I'm checking. Okay. Next person, you can go ahead. Next person, I'm checking right now.
Yeah, I think I also have the same issue.
Psych 111. Okay, I'm checking right
Yes.
now. I'm checking.
Okay.
Okay, Mr.
No problem.
Kasapa, this is a Kia. Mr.
Okay.
Kasapa, this is a Kia Kumasi. This
All right.
question goes to Edward, Mr. Edward.
Okay.
Yesterday we asked this question and we didn't get a reply. With regards to Bachelor of Arts, those of us studying public admin, sociology, and information studies, we were told to select 6 courses, but there's another bulletin, revised bulletin, saying that we should choose between UGBS 101 and then UGBS 105. How true is that? Because yesterday I asked and I didn't get a proper answer.
Okay, hi, Kia. So sorry that you didn't get a proper answer for that particular question. So there's been an update from the department, that is the business school. So by Monday, an official communique will come from the academic office directing you on what to do. So I kindly exercise patience. Tomorrow, God willing, you receive a communique from our office through your centers for you to know exactly the stance of your department. Okay? So advise us and now kindly exercise patience. Tomorrow you will receive the communique. Please hope you understand.
Yes, thank you, Edward.
Yeah. For those talking about Psych 111, it's supposed to be Psych 101, not 111. How did you register the Psych 111?
So my own was I went to the center and it was registered for me.
Eddie?
Yeah, Kasapa. So, I think the center.
Yes, even mine the same. It was registered at the Tema campus for me.
Yeah, so what you can do is, as Kasapa said, you have our emails there. You send us an email for us to do the change for you. It's not anything difficult at all. Because Psych 111 are for students who are on amnesty, not level 100 students.
Okay.
Yes, so you send us an email and then make sure you attach a copy of your proof of registration and then we'll just do the change for you.
All right.
Please, can the email be posted again in the
okay,
chat?
I'm posting the email in the
email
chat.
has been posted in the chat.
I'm posting it again.
Okay.
Sir,
Please,
regards
as
Hello,
a
Mr. Kasapa.
BSc admin,
Yes.
how many courses are we supposed to have by start?
Eddie,
Yeah, Kasapa.
did you hear the question?
Yes, I think the question was just right in line with what Kriya Kosia asked.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. I get you.
Yes, we're going to come out tomorrow and that will describe exactly what the students are supposed to do.
Okay, that's clear. So patients, those admin, be patient. Tomorrow you get the feedback.
Okay, so what of us, the BSc
table.
BSc, you all is a similar program, so you'll be told. Don't worry, patience. All those admin courses. Yes, the number of courses you are supposed to register.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Please, when a timetable is being revised, do we have dates on it? Because sometimes you see everybody holding their own timetable because there's no date.
Okay, we'll put a date on it.
Okay. Thank you.
Mr. Kasapa.
Hello, Mr.
Yes.
Kasapa.
Please,
Hello.
how do some of us get to join the group of the school? Because some WhatsApp groups have been circulating. We don't know which is which.
The center coordinators or center, yes, they create some, depending on the registration you have, some groups for you. And sometimes the course reps, so that one is not in my domain. The center head, if you go to out.
Yes. Let me add to go to on center registration. It is very, very important. It's very, very important. So after doing your registration, make sure you go to your center and do center registration. This will let you have all the relevant information and making sure that you have the correct information. Understand? So after registering your courses, please go and do your center registration. It is very, very important.
Thank you,
Good
Eddie.
afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm taking the
Please,
final 5 questions and we can call it a day.
please, I went to the school to do the course registration and the center registration, but I have 7 courses registered here, and the HEC and the UGRC courses have not been registered yet. I don't know where I can register for those courses.
You don't know where you can register for the HEC?
Yes.
And you already have 7 courses registered?
Yes.
Are you a diploma to degree student, if I may ask?
Degree.
Sorry?
Degree.
Okay, you're just level 100 degree, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so I think what is happening here is that you register your courses without consulting the course bulletin. Okay?
Yeah,
so
I'm sure.
Advise that you go to your center and your center will help you to do the correct thing. Please get it.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
All right.
Hello, Mr. Kasapa.
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello. Please, good afternoon.
Sakai. Yeah, good afternoon.
Please, yes, please. Please, I wanted to inquire on in case for any reason you want to defer, how do you go about it?
Okay, Eddie will answer that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'm guessing unfortunately you didn't join yesterday's meeting. I was explaining into details concerning how deferment is done. For any reason, you have to take a break from your studies. You have to visit your STS portal, right? There's a portion there stating deferment. You state the reason for the deferment, and then the academic year and semester, and then you submit it. You will get an approval from the director's office, also with the same on the same portal, right? And then you'll be able to get it approval letter and also make your request. Please hope you get it.
Okay. Yes, please.
So I'll put the FTS link there.
So please, we advise that. Yeah, we advise that before you proceed for your deferment, please make sure you get the approval. And then yesterday, the HOD went through with us the academic calendar, stipulating the time frame for you to request for deferment. Please make sure that your deferment is within that particular time frame so that it will be approved.
Yes, please.
Please, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay, so under Sakai, there is a particular, I don't know if it's a course or it's just a group, RCOM, RCOMM.
Good.
Yeah, so please, if you can share light on it for us, thank you.
Good. The outcome is you see, plagiarism is key. Listen to me well. Plagiarism, copying and pasting, for sometimes when you are given assignment, those who do copy and paste, ChatGPT, copy, paste, give to the lecturer. Listen, we have a system called outcome, like Turnitin checker. If you go and copy and paste rather than paraphrasing, yes, we are not saying don't use technology or don't use AI. You can use AI, but don't copy and paste. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Paraphrase it, change the structure, change the English. Read it and change into your own idea and meaning. Don't do copy from the AI and paste in Word and send it to the lecturer. So we have tools to check for plagiarism, and that's the outcome. So when you're given assignments, whether you've copied, to know whether you've copied or pasted, you've copied or cheated, we have this software called outcomes or Turnitin. It's called, the real name is Turnitin. It can be triggered on any assignment, okay? So that whether the lecturer wants to know whether you did a genuine work or you copied. So when it is triggered on an assignment, Turnitin, when there's even a notice on a Turnitin service. Due to an unexpected service interruption within the Turnitin service, all users currently cannot access the service for similarity report. For now, it's not working, but it will work. Now, it is, listen, outcome is open for all students to test their work before submitting into the assignment. So the outcome is a plagiarism checker for every student. Every student has access to it. So that before you submit your assignment, you can test if the university accepts copying below 20, copying should be below 20%. If your copy is above 20%, maybe your similarity index was above 30, 40, 50, 60, that means you failed. If you test your work and the similarity index, the copying was below 20%, it's accepted by the university. Is it clear?
Yes, please.
So
okay, so a follow-up.
Okay.
A follow-up on that. How can a student use the outcome to check plagiarism? And then also, some students don't have it on their Sakai.
That's what I've opened. If you don't have it on Sakai, listen, if you don't have it on Sakai, go to your homepage, okay? Home membership. Home. If you don't have outcomes, go to home. Membership. Do you see membership? Home, membership. Your homepage. This is your homepage in Sakai. Home, membership. And joinable site. Do you see homepage, membership, then joinable sites? Do you see joinable sites? This one. Homepage. Home, membership, joinable site. This one. Click on it. And let me emphasize again. We are not saying don't use AI. You can use AI to help you with your work, but don't copy and paste. Is it clear? Don't copy and what? Paste. All right. So you see it here. You see the outcome here. Then you click join now. When you join, it becomes part of your course sites. It becomes part of your course. So you can search for it. Outcome. It becomes part of your club. After joining, you see it. I'll join home. Members, joinable site. You see it here. You click join now. When you join, it becomes part of your course site. Outcome like this. And then you can go there to check for plagiarism. All right. Let me show you how to do it. Those of you who have made their mind to be using, once again, let me emphasize it. We are not saying don't use AI. Technology is a facilitator, it helps, but don't copy and paste. You can use AI the information AI will give you will help you. You can use it, but don't copy from AI and paste into Word and submit to the lecturer that you have done the work for him. You'll be in trouble. Go and read paraphrasing. Paraphrasing, how to paraphrase. Use AI, but make sure you paraphrase. You don't copy and paste. You paraphrase. I'm using the word paraphrase. So go to outcome, assignment, plagiarism checker. Pick the first one. Always outcomes. To check for plagiarism, outcomes, assignment. And then you can load your work. It's not working for now. So you can load your work from your desktop, wherever it is. Check for it. After 20, 30 minutes to be ready. And that is it. All right. I think we can call it a day.
Sir, please, when we added the outcomes, there is Sakai training for undergraduates.
Yeah, you can join.
Should we join that one too? Okay.
If you want, but this is the same thing I've taught you, so there's no need, but that's what I've taken you through.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome. If there are no questions, Alaji, Eddie.
Oh. No, Kasapa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any
Then,
additions?
We'll say once again, welcome to the Premier University. We hope that you enjoy your stay, you maximize the opportunities that are available to you, and then we can't wait to see you on your graduation to say well done, and that you have been able to go through and sail through university soundly and safely. So we'll be, as mentioned yesterday, there will going to be periodic training and meetings with you. That was the aim of facilitating your education whilst you are here. So I want to say once again, thank you for taking the opportunity to join. And then our office lines are always open. You can give us a call or send us an email from within